Dobar dan svima.
Hello svima. I mean, hello everybody.
Dobrodošli na naš kanal opet.
Welcome to our channel again.
Danas za vas imamo tako delikatan, ali tako ukusan kolačić koji se tako brzo sprema i ja verujem da će ljubitelji kafe biti vrlo srećni svojim receptom.
Man, that's very passionate, but I'll try to translate that in English. So, my wife said that today she's gonna make something that she's real passionate about, and she hopes that all of our family and friends out there enjoys this dessert. It has coffee in it, so for you coffee lovers, there's coffee in it. For you chocolate lovers, there's chocolate in it. Put the two together. What more can I say?
You can't lose.
You
Ne možeš da
can't
izgubiš. Spojiš dva dobra, naravno.
Exactly. Well,
Šta nam je potrebno za ovaj kolač? Ako se sećate, kada smo pravili bajederu, sastojci su vrlo slični kao sastojci za bajederu, samo što u ovim bonbons ili kuglicama ide kafa. Ali ostalo je vrlo slično i pokazat ću vam kako se to radi.
Okay, so my wife just said that if you'd had a chance to watch the video on the bayadera, which are those chocolate nougats, a lot of the ingredients in the recipe for what she's going to bake today are in this dessert as well, except we're going to add some coffee. Again, down below in the description, we're going to give detailed amounts of all of the ingredients, but you know, the ground walnuts, water, butter or margarine. This is the ground biscuit, or we say plasma, sugar, just regular ground coffee, and baker's chocolate semi-sweet.
Kao što je on rekao, isto kao što smo pravili za bajederu, samo dodajemo kafu, imamo orahe, vodu, puter, plazmu, šećer, čokoladu i kafu. Samo što ćemo kasnije imati još čokolade sa malo ulja, zato što ćemo umakati ove bombončiće u čokoladu. I sad možemo da počnemo. Dole u opisu će da bude tačno mera koliko čega vam treba za ovaj recept.
Excellent. All right, what's first? I'm hungry.
Prvo dodamo vodu i napravimo sirup, vodu i šećer.
Oh, it's that high quality H2O again. I love it. All right, so we're pouring in the water and the sugar,
yes.
And we've got the burner on. And what do we have the burner on there?
Well, sada sam stavila na najjače. Kažem, ako radite na gas, verovatno morate da radite na srednje do srednje jaku. I samo ćemo da rastopimo šećer i kad se rastopi kuvamo još 3-4 minuta, da nije pregusto, nego onako samo blago gusto. Onda ćemo skloniti sa vatre i dodati ostale sastojke.
Okay, so she has the electric burner set to high. If you're using your stove, your gas range, go to medium, a little bit above, in between medium and high. And basically you're just going to cook the sugar and the water. And it's not till it's too thick. We're going to go ahead and get a close-up for you, but it should take just several minutes to get it to the texture.
Yes.
And we'll move on.
Yes. Vidite kako lepo krčka. Ovakve recepte koji imaju ovaj sirup od šećera i vode, nemojte nikada ostavljati na ringli. Uvek budete tu i uvek mešajte, zato što može odjednom da iskipi. Ali još malo i bit će gotovo.
Okay, guys, so as my wife so eloquently put it, ooh, is that getting steamy? Let me back up a little bit. There we go. So please do not leave this and walk away. Continue stirring it because it does heat up pretty quickly. As you can see, it's getting thicker. Okay, so about another minute or so. She said it's still not quite thick enough. So there you go. A couple minutes and it's ready to go. So stay with it and keep stirring.
Ok, sirup je gotov. Nije ni pregust, nije ni redak. Perfektno.
Okay. So it's spot on. So off the burner it goes, and it looks like we're going to go ahead and add the butter or margarine now.
Yes. Sad dodamo margarin ili puter, šta god više volite. I mešamo dok se to potpuno ne otopi.
Okay, so she is going to continue stirring until the butter or margarine has completely melted into the sugar water. And it's melting pretty quick because that water and sugar's pretty hot. All right, so as soon as all of the butter or margarine, depending on what you're using, has melted, which we're getting pretty close at this point, we're going to add the ground coffee and the semi-sweet baker's chocolate. That's going to go in next. And then when that melts in, we're going to come in slowly with the ground walnuts and the ground biscuits. So first things first. All right.
So dodajemo čokoladu.
Oh, here goes the chocolate. Oh, man. I love watching chocolate melt like that. That is
Ali kafa I čokolada daju
And now the
fantastičan
coffee.
miris.
the coffee. Oh, does that smell good? Oh, can I get a close-up of that? That just looks so
course.
good.
Kako se lepo otapa I dobijete fantastično gust. Jer još uvijek nije otopljeno, ali miriše, oh my god. Kažem, za ljubitelje kafe, ovo je fantastičan dezert.
Yes, I couldn't have said it better myself, babe. This is just, oh, for chocolate and coffee lovers, we're in
Yes.
heaven here.
Ok, čokolada je skoro gotova.
All right, and now we're going to
I
slowly
sad ćemo da
start.
dodajemo polako plazmu I polako orahe I onda nastavljamo dalje.
It's exciting.
Yes.
So let's get back to it's almost ready for the biscuits and the walnuts. And look at that, it's spot on perfect.
Okay.
Great. Okay, I'll get back up here and let's finish up.
So ovako dodamo malo plazme,
Okay, a little bit of that guy,
malo oraha.
a little bit of that guy. So in go the ground biscuits and the ground walnuts. And it's definitely thickening up,
Yes.
pardon me. So yeah, it's getting a little bit tougher to stir, but that's
Možeš ja
good.
morati da koristim sad tvoje mišiće za ovo.
Oh boy. Are you sure you want me to help? But last time...
Samo ovde.
the-
Samo ovde, ne
okay,
smiješ
so I
nigde
have
da
to do it
nosiš.
here? Okay, yeah, I can't take it with me. Okay, all right.
Ok, plazma. Opet malo orahe.
All right, so all of the ground biscuits are in. And we still have a little bit of the walnuts left, but looking at the texture, it looks like they're pretty much going to go in as well. If I had to guess, I'd say they're going in.
Ok, vidite kako je masa homogenizovana, sve je lepo upilo. Vrlo je bitno da ne bude previše oraha ili previše plazme, nećete moći da radite sa tim, ali isto tako ne sme da bude ni premalo. Sad pokazat ću vam kako to treba da izgleda kad počnem da pravim bombice.
Okay, so she has been stirring all this together, and she has this like mix of everything, and it looks like it's not too soft, it's not too hard, it's just the right texture. So she's going to go ahead and lay it out before she starts forming the little coffee beans. It does have to cool before they're dipped into the melted chocolate, but I'm getting ahead of myself.
Jeste, so napravit ćemo bombice, pokazat ćemo kako se to radi, bombice i onda utisnemo čačkalicom da napravimo da izgledaju kao zrna kafe. Onda mora da se stegnu u frižider, možda jedno pola sata, sat, dva. Morate da budete sigurni da su dobro stegnuti. Onda ćemo topiti čokoladu sa malo ulja za onaj sjaj i kažem da ne pucaju kolači. I onda ćemo umakati coffee beans or zrna kafe.
All right, so guys, I'm just going to put this in a nutshell real quick. These are actually going to look like coffee beans when they're done. So we're going to go ahead and back up with the camera, film the next step, and you'll see as this starts forming, and when they're done, they are going to be these little delicious coffee beans with chocolate. Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
Evo ti možeš da oležeš farjaču ako hoćeš.
Oh, thank you so much. I get the wooden spoon.
Yes.
And not in the head this time.
Yummy. Evo što ja radim sad, još uvek je toplo, ali samo ovako malo rukom da ga premesim. Kažem isto kao prošli put za plazmu, ovo je samo malo čvršće zato što ima čokoladu u ovom delu. Okay.
So a little bit thicker than the Bayadera at this point. It's almost kind of like a Play-Doh-y type of finish. So
Just sweet. Yes.
I know.
So
And what are we doing now?
Pravimo bombice. So zavisi koliko velike hoćete. Samo ovako.
So we're making coffee beans, although they don't look like it.
No, not yet. Još ne izgledaju tako zato što prvo se naprave bombice. Pokazat ću ti, što žuriš?
I'm rushing because I want to
Samo nemoj da
eat.
jedeš, samo pravi.
Okay, so how much do I...
Uzmeš ovako, da ti stane ovako u dlan.
So like this?
Yes, možete da pravite.
Oh, look what happened to mine.
Okay.
It just fell apart. What am
Prvo
I...
moraš da skupiš ovako.
Oh, so first I put it together.
Yes.
Okay, guys, see? This is how
And ovako
I'm
reći.
learning. So, okay, so first we got to put it together.
Yes, samo ovako malo stegneš.
So just
I onda-
squeeze a bit, and then there it is.
Rovnicu.
Oh,
Kažem, možete pravite veće, možete pravite manje, kako god volite.
okay, so you can make them different sizes. It doesn't matter, but
Yes.
basically something like this. And they're not all going to turn out the same, but you know that's the beauty. No coffee bean is the same either. They're all different. So yeah, I mean, well, I can't wait to see what these look like when they're done.
Ok.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought we were.
No,
Sword fighting
ovo
over
je
here.
za bombice.
Oh,
Well, mi koristimo ove dugačke čačkalice, kako za ove
good
appetizers.
lord! Do you have anything stuck in your teeth? Holy Toledo!
Možete i
Is
obične
this King
čačkalice.
Kong's
nema veze.
toothpick here, or what?
Kad su bombice napravljene, dok su još tople, ovako na sredinu samo malo napravite udubljenje. Tako, na svaku. I onda ćemo staviti u frižider da se ohlade.
So we just indent a little
Yes.
bit. So we just kind of push in. And guys, at home, what we're doing here is basically we're making coffee beans. They're going to look like coffee beans, okay?
Nemojte previše kao ja i onda polomite jednu.
Yeah, you know what? I think I did that earlier. So we don't want them to break. Just go in a little bit, give it a little bit of a dent in so that it looks like a coffee bean. And then, do this while they're still warm, as my wife said.
Yes.
And then they're going to go in the fridge for how long?
Pa za jedno, verovatno sat vremena. Treba dobro da se stegnu zato što posle toga umačete u čokoladu i onda hoćete da su potpuno stegnute, da se ne raspadnu kad počnete da umačete.
Excellent point. So they're going to go in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, guys, at least. But they have to harden a little bit more so that when you dip them in the chocolate later, they don't fall apart on you. So
Yes.
absolutely. If you're in a hurry and you have company coming like ASAP, put them in the freezer.
Yes.
I mean, just, 10-15 minutes in the freezer is the same thing as 1 hour in the refrigerator, and then just go ahead and dip them in.
Yes.
And do your thing.
As long as when you pick them up, they don't fall apart, you can put them in a chocolate, that's the main thing.
There you go.
So to je dobar point, kako Jovan kaže, dobra ideja. Ovo ide u frižider, na sat vremena moraju dobro da budu stegnuti. Kad pokupite jednu, ona ne sme da bude mekana i ne sme da se raspada. Dobrodošli nazad. Bombice su ready. Bombice
Yes, they are. Oh, they're welcome back. So we just brought the chocolate coffee beans out of the refrigerator, and they're
Yes.
ready for the final chocolate
Yes.
dip.
So, lepo su se stegle. Ovo je šta hoćete. Kad uhvatite, no, nije još gotovo.
I'm sorry.
Da su dobro stegnute pre nego što ih umačete u toplu čokoladu.
All right, let's get that camera down here and show our family and friends just how that's done.
And then you can eat it.
All right.
So, Joviša će da radim, ja ću da umačem, čim iznesem, ti ponovo, nemoj da sviraš sad. Čačkalicom pređi kao kad smo malo pre pravili ovaj dent, ovo udubljenje, pređi sa čačkalicom ponovo.
Okay, so she's gonna dip them fully in the chocolate, and then when she brings it out, I'm just gonna put the toothpick, okay, just like we did before, just like this, and make that indentation there so that the chocolate goes in, and there it is, folks. There's your coffee bean. Oh, man. Wow. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I made a coffee bean.
Yes, you did,
I made a
baby.
chocolate coffee bean.
Yes, you did, baby. Good
Oh,
job.
my goodness, I love them.
Kažem, ovo je tako lagano i brzo da se napravi. I, like I said, toliko je dobar ukus. Ko voli kafu, ko voli čokoladu. Ovo je perfektan recept za vas.
Oh my goodness. They're awesome. Look at that. Can they look any more like coffee beans?
Vjerovatno ako bi bili malo manji, bili bi definitivno 100% kao coffee beans. Neke smo napravili veće, neke manje, kažem, mi bili stvarno volimo ovako ove dezertove bombonice, tako da što je najveće nije ništa za nas.
Exactly. We like everything big. So yes, guys, don't hold back. Enjoy your dessert like we do, and you won't be sorry. We're going to get these in the fridge, and then we're going to get them in on a serving platter, and we'll go ahead and film that for you when they're ready.
I onda probavamo, onda
That's it.
jedemo. Yummy.
The taste test.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
I know, I can't wait.
Me too.
All right, we'll see you soon.
Vidimo se uskoro. Sada ćemo da probamo izvrsne bobice zrna kafe. Miriše na kafu. Oh my god, ovo je jako dobro. Kafa, čokolada, savršenstvo.